Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum coin as it is moving down with the Bitcoin. So we will try to understand in today's video where the price action can move, whether it will be moved up from here or it will be moved more down. And first of all, let me to tell you that if you are not following my videos, then you can follow a complete series of my videos on Ethereum on Cointelegraph. And this is the link I'm also sharing in the video's description as well. And if you want to read my articles on Ethereum and all other different other digital assets as well, then I'm also sharing the link for my blog in the video's description. You can find there. Now let's move to the chart. And before moving to the chart, I would like to give you some recap. This was the chart that I shared with you guys back in March 2020 when the price action of Ethereum completed this final leg of the bullish gauntlet pattern, same as like the Bitcoin, and the price action was entered in this potential reversal zone. After initial leg, it was retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it was projected between 0.382 to 0.886 and entered here in 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Now from here, I predicted that as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish gauntlet pattern, the price action should move up. And now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see finally the price action moved up and produced more than 270% rally so far. And it has also broken out this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. So we can expect that this time it will use this projection level that is almost at above $300 as a strong support. Now if I will take you to the live chart, then I was expecting that I've just placed these trend lines here to show you that I was expecting a few days back that maybe the price action has hold this support above this trend line and it will form an up channel as it was being rejected from this level, and I was expecting that it will be a resistance and it will be a new support for this up channel. But finally, the price action has broken down this support with the Bitcoin, with the crash of the Bitcoin. And I've also shared this in these details on the Tradingview. This was my article that I shared a few days back on September 3rd. Where I was expecting that maybe the price action will hold the support above this trend line and it will start a new formation of an up channel. But we have seen that a sell volume has entered in the market. A lot of sell volume has entered in the market, and now the price action has broken down the support. And now the price action is also at the support of this $350. And I was expecting that if the price action will break out this $500 resistance level, then there is no significant resistance between the $500 and the $800 resistance. Let me just show you. You can see that there is no significant resistance between the $500 and the $800 resistance level. So once the price action will be able to break out this $500 resistance level, then we can expect a very rapid rally and a very fast move towards the $800 resistance. And after that, we will see what the price action can do next, whether it will break out the $800 or it will be moved back to the $500. But at this time, it is rejected by the $500 resistance. It was very close to the $500 resistance and moved down. At this time, it is retesting the $350 and the $325 previous resistance levels as a support. And if this retest will be successful, then maybe the price action will again break out the $400 and the $500 resistance level. Now, after this $325, we have the $280 resistance as well. Now, if we watch the different simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, then at this time the price action has broken down this 25 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average as well. At this time the price action is going to retest the 100 simple moving average. Once the 100 simple moving average will be broken down, then we can expect a further downward move up to this 200 simple moving average as well. So At this time, we can expect if the price action will be bounced from this 100 simple moving average, then it can again break out this 50 and 25 simple moving average. Otherwise, if it will be broken down, then we can expect a further downward rally up to 200 simple moving average. And on this weekly chart, we can see that the price action has a very strong support of 200 simple moving average. Then we have the 25, then 50, then 100 simple moving averages. And at this time, the 25 simple moving average is moving up to form a golden cross with 200 simple moving average. I've already told you in my previous videos as well that whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, it produces a bullish rally and it is a strong buying signal, especially when it is formed on the weekly chart, the long-term chart. We can see that this is the weekly long-term chart, and the 25 simple moving average is likely to form a bull cross with the 200 simple moving average. Then we can expect that soon the 50 simple moving average will form a 200 the golden cross with 200 simple moving average. That will be a real golden cross on the long term, and we can expect a very, very powerful bullish rally after when this golden cross will be formed. Now let me just show you this very powerful and strong bullish chart that is the Ichimoku cloud on the weekly chart. We can see that the price action has broken out this bearish cloud. A few months back, I predicted that soon the price action will break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and after producing more than 270% bullish move, the price action has finally out of this cloud and going to retest this cloud as a support. I'm not expecting that the price action will be moved as that much down to retest this previous resistance of the bearish cloud up to almost $220, because we have unless we have these supports of 100 simple moving average and the 200 simple moving averages on the daily chart. But if these moving averages will be broken down, then we can expect a further downside move to retest this bearish cloud. But at this time, we have seen that this cloud has turned strong bullish. So this time we can have a strong support of Ichimoku cloud just below this price action. So we can expect that if this time the price action will not break down this cloud, because this cloud has been turned very strong bullish. So in the long term, we are still very, very strong bullish because we have a strong support of Ichimoku cloud as well. You can see that this lagging span has crossed up this Ichimoku cloud, and we have already received the conversion, the bull cross between the conversion and the baseline just below the price action. That is really very strong bullish signal. So we can expect that we are still in a very powerful bullish rally on the long term that is just started. Yes, this is a healthy correction that is before I was expecting that before any big move, the price action will start a correction rally, and after this heavy correction, the price action can start the next rally to the upside. Definitely, I will share the next moves of the price action of Ethereum when it will start the next move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.